Hi, welcome back to DECKO. Today we'll be transforming this space out here with our new Patio Lite deck tiles.
They're half the price of traditional deck tiles. It's a quick DIY install. They're super easy to clean and have a fully customizable modular design.
They come in different shapes and sizes, and they also come in 2 different colors. We'll be doing a demonstration to see what all the colors and styles will look like. Let's get started. For this demonstration, we've started from the inside out, but if you wanted to make the cuts against the house and have a nice cleaner edge finish, then you would start on the outside in. Alright, so we've just done a perimeter with our grey stone tiles, and you can see that there it looks beautiful. And now we're going to move on to do some with our grey slat, just another bit of a perimeter before we move on to our beige stone. So now that our grey stone is finished, we're moving on to our beige stone and our beige slat. And as you can see, it's all coming together. Alright, so when you come to the end, you want to finish it with something. You'll be looking at finishing them with some ramps, depending on what color you went with, and some corner pieces. And usually you would start with your ramps on the outside and then work your way in so that you're not cutting off your clipping system, but we had it all worked out, so we're going to show you how to install the ramps now. Don't forget to like or subscribe. As you can see, this is much more comfortable to walk on. The bare concrete was just dirty and it was not as comfortable to walk on. And you won't have to worry about wet floors either because all the water will just drain through and away. So the surface will stay much more dry and it is non-slip, so even if it's wet, it's not going to be an issue. So it's pretty easy to change the look and feel of your deck, but tell us, which style did you like better? This one or the previous one? Alright, so we've finished the install and I'll just run through the colors. So we've got grey stone, grey slat, beige stone, and beige slat over here. So order yours today at DECKO.